The human mind is extraordinary. It holds immense power, a power that often goes unnoticed in our daily lives. This power can be harnessed, channeled, and directed towards achieving our deepest desires and goals. It can transform your life in ways you never imagined, bringing joy, success, and fulfillment. We often underestimate the power within us, doubting our capabilities and potential. We focus on external factors, believing that happiness and success come from outside sources. We seek happiness outside ourselves in material possessions and in the approval of others. True power lies within our own minds. It's about taking control of our thoughts and emotions. It's about self-mind control. Self-mind control is not about manipulation. It's about understanding the nature of our thoughts and emotions. It's about directing your thoughts towards positive outcomes and constructive actions. Your thoughts have incredible power. They shape your reality, influencing your actions and decisions. When you control your thoughts, you control your life. You become the architect of your destiny. This is the essence of self-mind control. It's a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Think of your mind as a garden, a place where thoughts grow and flourish. Your thoughts are the seeds you plant. They determine the quality of your mental landscape. Positive thoughts yield beautiful flowers, bringing joy and satisfaction. Negative thoughts yield unwanted weeds, creating obstacles and challenges. Self-mind control is the art of gardening your mind. It's about nurturing positive thoughts and eliminating negative ones. It's about cultivating positive thoughts, fostering a mindset of growth and positivity. It's about weeding out negative ones, clearing your mind of doubts and fears. The mind is everything. What you think you become. Buddha. This timeless wisdom underscores the transformative power of our thoughts. This quote highlights the power of our thoughts, reminding us of their profound impact on our lives. It emphasizes the importance of self-mind control, the key to unlocking our true potential. By controlling your thoughts, you control your destiny. You steer your life towards success and fulfillment. You become the master of your life, empowered to create the reality you desire. Affirmations are powerful tools that can shape your reality. They help with self-mind control. They are positive statements that you repeat to yourself. By repeating them, you start to internalize these positive messages. This imprints them on your subconscious mind, making them a part of your belief system. Our subconscious mind is incredibly powerful and influential. It believes what it's told repeatedly, whether positive or negative. When you repeat affirmations, something magical happens. Your mindset begins to shift. Your subconscious mind starts to believe these affirmations as truths. It starts working to make them your reality, aligning your actions with your beliefs. This is the power of affirmations. They bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be, the gap between your conscious desires and subconscious beliefs. Imagine yourself standing tall, feeling empowered. You feel confident and successful, ready to take on any challenge. Now say these words. I am confident. I am successful. I attract abundance. Repeat them daily. Feel the words resonating within you, filling you with positive energy. The more you repeat them, the more real they become. Consistency is key. Affirmations are not just words. They are powerful declarations of your intent. They are your blueprint for success, guiding your thoughts and actions. They are your tools for self-transformation, helping you become the best version of yourself. Use them wisely, and you will be amazed by the results. Your dreams are within reach. Jose Silva, a pioneer in self-help and mind development. He developed the Silva method, a revolutionary approach to harnessing the power of the mind. This method teaches you to use your mind's full potential, going beyond the ordinary. It unlocks the power of your subconscious, revealing hidden strengths and abilities. It helps you achieve your goals by aligning your thoughts and actions. Silva believed in the power of alpha and theta brainwave states, which are key to deep relaxation and mental clarity. These states are achieved through relaxation techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing. They enhance creativity and intuition, allowing for innovative thinking and problem-solving. They open your mind to possibilities, expanding your horizons and potential. They help you tap into your subconscious, where your true potential lies. The Silva method uses visualization techniques to create a clear mental image of your goals. It uses affirmations and meditation to reinforce positive thinking and self-belief. It helps you achieve your goals, improves your health, and enhances your relationships by fostering a positive mindset. It increases your overall well-being, leading to a more fulfilling and balanced life. You have the power to create your own reality. Jose Silva. This quote encapsulates the essence of his teachings, emphasizing the power of the mind. It empowers individuals to take control of their lives, making conscious choices that lead to success. It encourages them to create the reality they desire, turning dreams into achievable goals. Your thoughts are powerful. They shape your reality. They attract experiences into your life. This is the law of attraction in action. What you focus on, you attract. Focus on positive thoughts. Expect positive outcomes. You attract positive experiences. This is the power of self-mind control. It's about directing your thoughts. It's about creating your desired reality. Imagine yourself living your dream life. Visualize it in detail. Feel the emotions. Believe it's already yours. Your mind will start working towards it. You will attract opportunities. You will manifest your desires. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Henry Ford. This quote emphasizes the power of belief. Your beliefs shape your reality. By controlling your thoughts, you control your beliefs. You ultimately control your destiny. Financial freedom, manifesting abundance through mind control. Self-mind control can transform your finances. Many people struggle with money. They focus on lack. They attract more lack. Self-mind control shifts this focus. It shifts it from lack to abundance. Start by changing your thoughts about money. Believe that abundance is your birthright. Affirm your financial freedom. Visualize yourself living a life of abundance. Instead of saying, "I can't afford it," say, "I am attracting abundance into my life." This shift in mindset can be profound. It opens you up to new possibilities. It attracts opportunities for financial growth. Remember, money is energy. It flows to where it's welcome. When you cultivate an abundance mindset, you welcome money into your life. You attract financial freedom and prosperity. The conscious and subconscious, a dynamic duo working for you. Your mind has two parts, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind is your awareness. It's your decision maker. The subconscious mind is more powerful. It's the storehouse of your beliefs and habits. Self-mind control is about aligning these two parts. It's about making them work together. It's about ensuring your conscious desires are in harmony with your subconscious beliefs. Your subconscious mind is like a fertile ground. It will grow whatever seeds you plant. If you plant seeds of doubt and fear, it will grow those. Plant seeds of confidence and success, and it will grow those instead. The key is to be mindful of your thoughts. Choose them wisely. Feed your subconscious mind with positive affirmations. Visualize your desired outcomes. Daily practice, the key to unlocking your full potential. Self-mind control is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing practice. It's about training your mind. It's about mastering your thoughts. Like any skill, it requires dedication and consistency. Start with small steps. Dedicate a few minutes each day to self-reflection. Practice mindfulness. Become aware of your thoughts. Challenge negative thoughts. Replace them with positive affirmations. Visualization is a powerful tool. Spend time visualizing your goals. Imagine yourself achieving them. Feel the emotions associated with success. This imprints your desires on your subconscious mind. Consistency is key. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. You are training your mind to focus on the positive. You are rewiring your brain for success. Real-life transformations. Proof of the mind's power. Countless individuals have transformed their lives. They used self-mind control techniques. They achieved their goals. They overcame challenges. They manifested their dreams. From athletes breaking world records to entrepreneurs building empires, the power of the mind is evident. These individuals understood that their thoughts were their most powerful asset. They harnessed the power of self-mind control to achieve greatness. Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul, often speaks about the power of belief. She attributes her success to her unwavering faith in her vision. Her story is an inspiration. It shows that anything is possible when you believe in yourself. These stories are not exceptions. They are examples of what's possible. They demonstrate the transformative power of self-mind control. Embrace the journey. Your transformation awaits. Self-mind control is a journey. It's a journey of self-discovery. It's a journey of empowerment. It's a journey that leads to a more fulfilling life. Embrace this journey. Embrace the power within you. Start today. Take control of your thoughts. Cultivate a positive mindset. Believe in yourself and your dreams. The power to transform your life lies within you. The only limits are the ones you set yourself. Napoleon Hill. This quote perfectly encapsulates the essence of self-mind control. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Believe in yourself, and you will be amazed by what you can accomplish.